Hello viewers, welcome back to the Moose Mobile Auto Repair channel, and today we're working on a 2015 Toyota Sienna with the 3.5 liter V6 2GR-FE engine. And the customer's complaint today is that the driver's rear power window is not working at that particular side, but it's working at inside the driver's area at the master switch, but it's not working on the driver's rear, the left rear power window. So today we are going to be having a look at it. So now I'm in the driver's seat. I'm just going to turn the switch to on, but engine off, and I'm just going to try the driver's rear to see if the window works. The driver's rear, you can see the window is going down and the window is going up from this side here. Sometimes they have an initialization process if you have disconnected the battery, or if you replace the alternator or something, you have to reinitialize the power windows. That's only if the power windows do not work at the master switch. Only if it's not working here. So if it's already working here at the master switch, then there isn't anything else that you can do, because most likely you have a bad switch if it's not working directly at the rear window, at the rear door. So most likely that if it's working here at the master switch and it's not working in the back, you probably most likely have a bad switch or something. So in any case that say that it's not working at the master switch, they do have an initialization process that you can do. Usually you hold down the window all the way, hold down the switch all the way down for like 3 or 5 or 10 seconds, and hold it down, and then after that you can raise it all the way back up and hold it down for, I think it's 3 or 5 or 10 seconds, and then it should be able to work after that. So this vehicle has a automatic rear sliding door. So I have it open for the time being. So I press the switch, and and nothing is happening right now. There isn't anything going on. The window is not going down or anything, and not able to hear anything. So the easiest thing that we can do to make the diagnostic process easy is to swap the one switch, the good working switch, with this one here, and see if it works. Now usually I would use a test light to test the standard power window switches that have the 2-pin connectors on them, and see if the bulb lights up in the up and in the down position. But in this case, this vehicle has complicated electronics and modules tied up to this power window switches, so it's not going to work for that method. So the only thing that we can do is to swap with a good known switch and see if it works. So before you do this, just make sure that the ignition is off before you do this. So I'm just going to use a plastic pry bar, or a panel removal tool. So we're just gonna remove the switch from here. So the switch, the bezel is out. I'm going to disconnect the connector. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think this is a 6-pin connector. So you can't test it using a test bulb, because that only works for the standard power window switch, for the ones that have the 2 pin connector, I believe, because this one has a module and stuff for this type of system, so you can't test it using the standard method. So I'm gonna swap this out with the one on the other side to see if it works. So I'm on the passenger side rear. I'm gonna take this out. These the trim pieces, they come out easily on this vehicle, so it shouldn't be a problem. You're going to disconnect the connector. So I'm going to put this now on the driver's rear now to see if it works. So now I have the switch from the passenger side rear. I'm going to swap it out and connect it to the driver's side rear and see if the window works. I'm going to turn the ignition to on. And now I'm going to try the switch. So I'm going to try the switch, and now the window is working. It's going down and it's going up. So I'm going to try that again. Go down, the window is going down. Go up, the window is going up. So in this case, we have already completed our diagnosis that the power window switch is bad on this side. So that's it for this one. Uh, that was just a very easy diagnostic work to swap this out with a known good. And if the window starts working, then you know you have a bad switch, so you need to replace the switch to fix the problem on this one. So it's a very easy and basic diagnostic. I already knew that the fuse, it was okay because it was working at the master switch. So I know it's not the fuse or a wiring problem. So I was pretty positive that it would be a switch issue if the initialization was okay at the master switch. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please don't forget to give it a like, and please consider subscribing to my channel if you're not already a subscriber, and please don't forget to hit that bell notification. I'll see you guys next time. Have a good day and take care.